Hey, I'm Megan with WTI. How many of you love your ceramic stovetop but absolutely hate cleaning it? That is definitely me. No matter how hard I try not to make a mess on my stovetop, it always ends up looking like a disaster. My life has been so much easier now that I clean my stovetop with the Keepers Friend. Just pour some of the cleaner over your stovetop, and it does not take a lot of muscle to clean it off with a wet sponge or a wet cloth. I was absolutely amazed at how easy some of the tougher stains came off. I would compare this product to the same satisfaction as waxing your car. You can also use this in your stainless steel sink, and especially if you happen to have hard water that leaves a white residue, then this is really going to help get rid of that and make your sink shine. So if your stovetop looks sad and dirty like mine does after every time I make a meal, then you definitely want to get some of this Keepers Friend to make your life a little easier and cleaner. And that's my point of view.